Hello, dear students. A lovely morning to you. How are you, students? Hope you are fine. Shall we start the class? Good. In last class, you learned about multiplication and how to multiply 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. Today, I will be explaining the next basic operation, division. Once Ramu and Sita went to their garden and plucked some apples. They want to share those apples among themselves. So they started counting apples they had plucked. But they were not sure how to share the apples among themselves. So they started thinking how to share the apples. Let us help Ramu and Sita in sharing the apples among them. First, we will count the apples they had plucked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will distribute the apples among the two children. Give one apple to each. Next, one more to each. Finally, give one more to each. Each one got 3 apples. That means we shared 6 apples among 2 children equally, and each one got 3 apples. From the above example, we shared 6 apples equally among 2 children, and finally each child got 3 apples. The process of dividing the objects into equal groups is called division. That means division is nothing but sharing specified number of items between specific number of people equally. As said above, total number of apples equals to 6. Number of persons equals to 2. Number of apples got by each person equals to 3. This can be written as 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3 is called as division fact. Divided by, this symbol represents division. Now let us see another example. Divide 8 oranges equally into 4 bowls. Here we have 8 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total oranges we have 8. Number of groups, that means which is but nothing but number of bowls, 4 we have. Now start sharing equally. First, share 1 orange equally. Next, share another orange. In each bowl we have 2 oranges. That means here we shared 8 oranges equally into 4 bowls, so that in each bowl we have 2 oranges. In this case, what is the division fact? The division fact is 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. Now complete the following table by sharing the given items equally. Here total items are given, number of groups given. Now we have to share the items into the groups. 8 pens we have to share in 4 groups. That means 8 divided by 4 equals to 2. In each group we will get 2 pens. Like that 10 cakes to 2 groups. 10 divided by 2, 5. In each group we will get 5 cakes. 18 beads to 3 groups. 18 divided by 3, 6. 6 beads we will get. 25 roses to 5 groups. 25 divided by 5, that equals to 5. In each group we will get 5 roses. Division is repeated subtraction. In previous examples we done division by sharing, but division is not only sharing, it is also repeated subtraction of the same number. Let us understand it through an example. There are 6 roses and 2 vases. Let us divide them equally. The first time, put 1 rose in each vase. Subtract 2 from 6, then we get 6 minus 2 equals to 4. For the second time, put 1 rose again in each vase. Now subtract 2 from 4, we get 4 minus 2 equals to 2. The third time, put 1 rose again in each vase. Now subtract 2 from 2, we get 2 minus 2 equals to 0. That means we have repeatedly subtracted 2 from 6 for 3 times. This can be written as 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. From this we can understand division is nothing but repeated subtraction. Now we will do another example for division through repeated subtraction. 24 divided by 6. Let us subtract 6 from 24 repeatedly. First time, 24 minus 6 equals to 18. Second time, 18 minus 6 equals to 12. Third time, 12 minus 6 equals to 6. Fourth time, 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Thus, 6 is subtracted from 24 4 times. Therefore, 24 divided by 6 equals to 4. Relation between multiplication and division. For each multiplication fact, there are 2 division facts. Let us observe the example. Here we have 6 beads in 2 rows. That means 6 into 2, that equals to total 12 beads we have. This is multiplication fact. Now this can be written as these 12 beads can be divided into 6 groups, as each group can get 2 beads. This is division fact 1. Again, these 12 beads can be divided into 2 groups, that each group can has 6 beads. That is nothing but 12 divided by 2, that equals to 6. This is division fact 2. From this we can say that clearly For each multiplication fact, we have two division facts. Let us see some examples. If the same numbers are multiplied, there will be only one division fact. Look at the example. 2 into 2 equals to 4. This is multiplication fact. For this, division fact is 4 divided by 2, which equals to 2. So let us see some more examples. 3 into 3 equals to 9. Division fact is 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. 8 into 8 equals to 64. For this, 64 divided by 8 equals to 8. So, by these examples, we can say clearly, if the same numbers are multiplied, there will be only one division fact. Here we will see another case. We know that clearly, any number multiplied by 0, we will get 0. Good. If a number is multiplied by 0, it has only one division fact. Look at the example. 6 into 0 equals to 0. It is multiplication fact. For this, division fact is 0 divided by 6 is equal to 0. That means 0 divided by any non-zero number, we will get 0 only. Construct division facts from the multiplication facts. Observe the given table here. Some multiplication facts are given for you. For your reference, some problems are done. Remaining problems, do it in your classwork. Division with grouping. Here we have 15 triangles. Divide 15 triangles into groups of 5 triangles each. First, let us make groups of 5 triangles. How many groups we got? Yes, we got 3 groups. So, 15 triangles were divided into 3 groups of 5 triangles each. So, here the division fact is 15 divided by 5 equals to 3. Division using multiplication tables. Let us see an example. 12 divided by 3. Now, say the multiplication table of 3 till you get the product 12. 3 into 1 equals to 3. 3 into 2 equals to 6. 3 into 3 equals to 9. 3 into 4 equals to 12. That means 4 times 3 equals to 12. Therefore, 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. Children, I hope you understand the concept of division. In next class, we will discuss about division of 2-digit and 3-digit numbers by single-digit number.